Hey guys, this is Richard over at foxironheat.com. We got this is a new customer, a tenant that moved into one of our landlord spaces. This unit's been up here for about 5 years and had never been serviced. The space had been vacant for a little bit, so they went down yesterday. It's fixing to get hot this next week, so give us a holler. It's going to get crazy busy, going to be upper 90s again, so the summer's finally here. Even though it's a 5-year-old unit, we had to replace the belts in it. We had to put some filters in it. We cleaned the coils while we were up here. We got out here and checked to make sure the thing was cycling right. It's a pretty decent unit. We put hail guards on it. We put a new electrical disconnect when we did it. So that's some of the stuff you want to try to take care of when you put a new unit in. But beware, a lot of my competitors, when you call them, we may tell you realistically it's going to take us a little bit longer to get out there to do the service, but I had the belts on the truck, I had the capacitors on the truck, I had the filters on the truck, so we get it done in one trip, and they're up and running in about an hour from the time we got here. So I had another customer cancel on me earlier today because they could call out somebody else to get out here faster. And then she calls me back and she says, well, yeah, they come out here and they said they can do warranty and they can do this. They got a bunch of different stuff they can do, but they're going to have to be, this is on a Saturday. I said, but they won't be able to get back out here till like Wednesday with the parts. So keep that in mind when you're calling around. Somebody may tell you they can get out here faster, but they're not going to get you up and running faster or quicker or at a better price. So it's Richard at foxironheat.com. Give us a holler. Just beware of all the scammers out there, because that's what they're going to do. It's easy to send a sales guy out there to sell you a new system or a bunch of stuff you don't need. Those guys are commissioned sales guys. They'll show up in 15 minutes. It may take us a couple hours to get out there, but that's just what it takes to run a good service business. So we don't sell you what you don't need. We got these guys up and running. We'll have a maintenance contract in place with them. Everybody's going to be happy. Ain't no middle of the summer going to have problems with this one. So thanks for watching. Just watch out for that. It's Richard over at foxironheat.com. Give me a holler. We've got a bunch of good guys working for us, and we'll take care of you. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.